When you're alone and life is making you lonely, you can always go downtown. When you've got worries, all the noise and the hurry seems to help, I know. Downtown, just listen to the music of the traffic in the city. Linger on the sidewalk where the neon signs are pretty. How can you can forget all your troubles, forget all your cares.
Hello, Mr. Gould. Tu as at leisure?
Yes, if you'd be so kind.
Yeah, I agree. For instance, one time up by the reptile house, you know where that is, up near Prairie Sound? I see this hippie type thumbing a ride. Long hair up to here. I figured I'd pick him up anyway, keep me entertained for a while, because I'm going all night. Keep me awake. Only when I picked him up, it turns out it wasn't a hippie at all. It was a girl, a young girl. And I mean pretty like you never seen. So I says to her, what the hell are you doing out here all by yourself, eh? And 100 miles down the road, I got her whole life story. Seems like she had a fight with her boyfriend. They broke up. Then she had a fight with her parents and decided to run away from home.
Janet.
Generation gap or whatever the hell it was.
Janet, viens t'asseoir. C'est que c'est pas le moment, mais faut que je te parle.
100 miles later, she's curled up next to me.
Ils vont changer ma route, je
sleeping
passerai
like a
plus
little
par
baby,
Toronto.
cried herself to sleep.
Je passerai plus par ici.
I looked down at this sweet little 16-year-old thing.
3 ans sur la même route, c'est quand même pas
And
pire.
you know what I did? I turned my rig around.
Tu sais combien de fois je suis venu
and I
ici?
took her straight home.
Je les ai comptés.
Right to her house, right
Avec
to the front
aujourd'hui, ça
door.
fait 156 fois.
Should have seen the look on her parents' face.
$50, pal. 5
Au revoir.
They screwed us, man. Damn
Big
Imlac.
18-wheeler. Rig goes up there, you know?
Ullman,
Pulls up.
Henderson,
What?
Ellis. Who needs
Come
them?
out. It
If
was
we
something.
still had Mahavich.
Yeah, but you don't.
You see,
Because that's over.
there's a code that I live by. As a
Montreal is going to take it this year. You want to put money on that?
That's over. I gotta
a
go.
strict code of ethics. I
That's over.
believe in
I
it.
gotta go.
So come on, rack them up. You rack 'em up.
Practice it.
It's over.
All right, okay.
And
$10?
I
Get it out.
I never regret it. Not a minute. Never. No, sir.